Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue our previous lesson that was based on Cartesian plane coordinates. In the previous lesson, we also did different types of transformation and we have discussed only one type, that is translation. So today we're going to do a second type, that is reflection. But before that, we're going to do one more example of translation so as to comprehend the topic well. So second example of translation is we are given these coordinates A 22, B 53, C 26, and we have to apply the translation 6 units to left and 8 units down. So first of all, we're gonna mark these coordinates on a graph. So let's say this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So y-axis and x-axis, and we know that y-axis works vertically and x-axis works horizontally. So that means y-axis works up down and x-axis works left right. So now we're gonna mark the graph. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and on the y-axis this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on up to infinity. And here the points are negative on the left hand side, 3 minus 4 5 6 7, and on the y-axis the downward points are negative, -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. And now we're gonna mark these coordinates. So 2 2, so 2 and 2, so that means here this is A, and 5 3, so 5 units on the x-axis and 3 units on the y-axis. So that means here, like so this is B, and 2 6, so 2 units on the x-axis and 6 units on the y-axis. So that means, so this is the C point. So this is C, this is A, and this is B. Now we're gonna join these points. So A, B, C, and now we're gonna apply the translation 6 units to the left and 8 units down. So let's say this is A 2 2, so that means, so now we're gonna apply the translation 6 units to left and 8 units down. So 6 units to left, that means we are going towards the negative x-axis. So our new A coordinate will be A dash. So we are here 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 units to the left. So here -4 and 8 units down, so that means we are going towards the negative y-axis. So let's say we are here like 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so that means here -6, and same goes with coordinate B, that is 5 3. So our new B coordinate will be, so 6 units to left, so we are here 1 2 3 4 5 6, so -1, and 8 units down, so 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means -5. And coordinate C, which is 2, 6. And so our new C coordinate will be 6 units to left. So here, like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -4. And about the Y coordinate, which is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 units down, so we are here. -2. So these are our new A, B and C coordinates. So now we're gonna mark these coordinates here on the graph. So -4, -6, like -4 and -6. So -1, -5. So C dash -4, -2. So now we're gonna mark these points here. So -4, -6, like -4 here and -6. So that means so this is A dash. So -4 and -6 and -1 and -5. So -1 and -5. So that means here. So B dash. And -4 and -2. So -4 and -2. So this is our C dash. So now we're gonna join these points, like A dash -4, -6, and what is B dash -1 and -5, like -1 and -5, and C dash -4 and -2. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna join these points. So this is our new figure and solution. So our second type of transformation is reflection. When we apply reflection transformation, the figure will flip across a line or axis. Or we can say that the new figure will be the mirror image of the previous one. So our first example of reflection is we are given these coordinates and we have to flip these coordinates over the y-axis. So first of all, mark these coordinates here. So 2, 3. So 2 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. So 2, 3. So this is A, and 5, 4. So 5 and 4. So 5, 4. So this is B and C, 2, 5. So 2 and 5. So this is C. So now we're gonna join these points and make a figure. So now we're gonna flip this figure ABC over the y-axis. And the rule for flipping the figure over the y-axis is, let's say this is 2, 3. And the rule is the y coordinates will remain the same and the x coordinates will be negative. So that means our new A coordinate will be the y coordinate will remain the same and the x coordinate will be negative. So same goes with b and c. So what is b? 5, 4. So our new coordinate will be -5 and 4. And same goes with c, which is 2, 5. So the new c coordinate will be -2 and 5. -2 and 5. So that means the x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate remains same. So our new coordinates are -2, 3, -5, 4, so -2 and 5. So now we're gonna mark these coordinates here on the graph. So -2 and 3. So -2 and 3. Here, A. That is -2 and 3. And B is -5 and 4. -5 and 4. So this is B. -5 and 4. So C is -2 and 5. So -2 and 5. So this is C, -2 and 5. So now we're going to join the points. So this is our new figure after reflection over the y-axis, and this is our original figure. Now we're going to do a second example of reflection, which is we are given this figure and we have to flip this figure over the x-axis. So that means x coordinates will remain the same as we are flipping it over the x-axis. So x coordinate will remain the same and y coordinates will be negative. So apply this rule here. So 5, 4, 2, 5. So x coordinate will remain same. So that means 2 and y coordinate will be negative. So 5 minus 4 and c dash will be 2 minus 5. So now we're gonna mark these coordinates here on the graph. So 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3. So this is a dash 2 minus 3. So that means two minus 3, and 5 minus 4. So 5 and minus 4. So this is our b dash, 5 minus 4, and c dash 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5. So this is our c dash, 2 minus 5. So this is a dash, this is c dash, and this is b dash. Now we're gonna join the points. So this is our original figure, and this is our flipped figure over the x-axis.